So you just finished editing your YouTube video. You just got that title exactly how you want it. Now let's work on that goddamn thumbnail. Oh my god! Hi guys, I'm Bushwhack18. I stream live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And today I want to show you guys how to make a pretty legit thumbnail in a minimum amount of time. So today we will be using a program called PicMaker. The link will be in my description. For a YouTube thumbnail, you're just going to want to click on YouTube thumbnails right here. You're going to have to go up here to this little lock icon, click it. You're going to have to allow flash. Then you're going to have to reload the page. Boom, now we're in. So this is already going to be preset at the resolution and size you need for your perfect YouTube thumbnail. First thing you're going to want to do is upload any images that you're going to want to put on this thumbnail. I'm just going to pick a few of my previously made thumbnails to put on this thumbnail because this thumbnail is actually about thumbnails. As weird as that sounds. Let's bring the images over. Whoa, that's way too big. So we're going to reduce the size here. I want to kind of angle them. I mean, you can really do this however you want, whatever image you have in your mind. You can make that happen on here. Pretty quickly, pretty easily. Just remember, these things don't have to be perfect because they're going to be so small. If there is a little imperfection in there, most people aren't going to notice it unless they're just thoroughly examining it for mistakes, in which case they're probably pretty weird anyway. The single biggest thing you're going to want out of a thumbnail is for it to be eye-catching. The next thing is you're going to want it to be informative and intriguing in terms of the content of your video. You want it to draw people in, and you want to have it let them know what kind of content is in the video. So we got these three right here. Now we're going to make a background. So we're going to pick a gradient here. So in the backgrounds, you have regular colors. You can just make a, a full standard color background. Or you can go into the gradient tab and it gets a little bit fancier. Let's just go with this nice fade of colors here. I like this. Now we're going to add some text. We're going to select bold title. The font we're going to want pretty big. 153. The color we're going to want this kind of yellow, maybe. Let's select the font though. I like this Bolby font. We're going to put thumbnails at the top in big letters. Down here we're going to put quick and easy. So a key here is going to be messing around with the colors. And you want to see what pops against the background. You want the wording to stick out. You want the images to stick out. You want it to pop. Guys, so one more thing I want to show you is how to remove the background of a picture. So say you wanted to use something like my weird face. You select the picture, bring it on over to the thumbnail. Click the background removal tool. Now this program has an automatic background removal, which does a semi-decent job. So you're going to click yes, proceed, and you're going to let it do its thing. So it didn't do too horrible. We're going to click next. We're going to bring out my hat. So you can manually clean it up after. No worries. If it didn't quite get you 100%, you can go right ahead and clean it on up. Using these tools right here. And keep in mind, if you shrink this down, people aren't going to notice these little imperfections. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's going to be maybe, like a low percentage difference between something like this and something that's really like professionally done at that small thumbnail size. All right, so now we got the head of a bush. Now look at me. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Well, we can really you can drag it around, put it anywhere, if you want to overlay yourself. Another trick we can do here is we can add a sticker. What that does is outlines our image to make it pop more, as you see in most thumbnails on YouTube. So you just click on the sticker button, you go in here, pick your color that you want the border to be, pick how wide you want it to go. So you can go really wide or really thin. I'm going to go on the wider side. Okay, I picked white. Now you can see I'm surrounded by white. Simple, quick, easy. There's more perfect, time-consuming methods, but hey, if you're tight on time and you want something that looks really good, this is the way to go. And now for the sake of everyone involved, I'm going to delete this head here. Okay, so once you're done with your thumbnail and you're satisfied with how it looks, you're just going to go to the top right here, and you're going to click on download. Now it's in your files, and you can upload it straight to YouTube as your thumbnail. Good to go. Hope this helped, guys. So that right there, you can do that in 3 or 4 minutes. You could actually spend a half hour on it if you want to make it as nice as possible. Okay, guys, I hope that right there can help you if you're just stuck in thumbnail hell trying to figure out how to make one of these things in a small amount of time. This program's been a lifesaver for me, and I hope you can use this video to your advantage. Guys in Bushwhack 18. I stream live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come on over, strike up a conversation, ask me some questions. See you over there. Goodbye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on